Well, I just thought I'd give you a quick tour of the new construction here. Early in the morning, of course, it's wet here in rainy Portland in the late fall or mid-fall. I don't know what it is, but they have all the exterior is done. We've got our new door. We've got to put in the cabling for the internet. That's what this trench is. I just pulled up these pavers like this one here. You can see this one paver. They're all along here. I pulled those up and just troweled out so they can put a conduit in with the internet cable and TV cable. The inside is pretty much done. The only thing got left here is painting and lighting and the fixtures going in. All the wiring is done. Got, as I said, a new garage door. Had to dig a couple of holes in the foundation here for this is for the sewer and this is for the water that came in. And but the format is pretty much the same, except the beam is more recessed now. We decided to leave the beam exposed, and it's not as low as it was before. Going up the stairs, pretty much the same. This is going to be carpeted. It just keeps things cleaner than tracking in. We used to have a closet on this wall, but we've changed that around. This is the entry door into it, and the main room with the high semi-vaulted ceilings, so you got full length, full height the whole way. This will be the alcove where my office is. My desk will be on the left side wall here. This is the bathroom. We're going to put in porcelain tile and then subway tiles vertically oriented in the shower, and then a glass shower door. It's got the little window, and then it'll be a small vanity here, and of course the little loo. On this side, there's another door, and this is the door to the closet, storage closet, and those are laundry for the exhaust for the dryer and hot and cold water for laundry. So that's pretty cool. And this is just another closet over here, where I'll have all my electronics for controlling the area, and this is just storage. We'll have shelving in here. And that's kind of it. The corner here is going to be the kitchen. It's a little L-shaped kitchen. The refrigerator is on the right side. Probably if we put the oven in, it'll be on this side, but there will be a microwave and cabinets above, sink, and a small size dishwasher. So that's kind of the whole thing. Very well, extremely well insulated, and we'll have a mini split for AC and heat in the upper room. Well, in the back corner, I'll have my workbench. I'll probably just buy probably a rolling workbench. And then while I was doing this, I had another guy come out and put in a stone walkway to kind of match our other hardscape here. And so we'll be able to put our trash cans here, the rolling compost bin, and Michelle gets her little potting bench in the back here at the lower level. It goes down, hard to see, this way, go this way, 3 steps going down to the back. So that's kind of the thing, and hope you enjoyed that. Bye.